Hey there, dear, do you know the effect you have on me? Even in times of stress, I find myself calmer than usual. I always seem to find the lighter side in things and solutions. This is so unlike me, the pessimist I used to be, no matter how hard I would try. I used to be impossible to think positive, but right from when you walked into my life, things have changed. You have become like the biggest strength in my life. Every day with you, I learn something now. No, your positive nature, your ability to see good in every one of your kidneys has reflected in me and is making me so much like you. I am loving the new me and hence falling in love with you. Even more every passing day makes me realize how important you are to me. I never want to lose you, my darling. I love you today and I will love you forever because you are my angel. I can't sleep because of you. As you always comes in my dreams. What have you done to me? As I always keep thinking about you. Whatever in the first morning sunlight or that evening blue in the night. You don't leave me side my side. I have fallen in love with you, and I think that it's so true. When I need you in life, you are always there for me. Just want to confess it to you that you are my need in life and won't be able to live without you. As I truly love and you and miss you. We just have one life that we live for just once that we fall in love. We just have one role to play and one life to say. The love and passion that I share and the way that you care just once to tell you that you mean the word to me just wants to tell you that you play an important role. You are my destiny and you are my role. Baby, I so love you so much. Each day I love for your touch. Just once that I love you. The way you talk to me and the way you look at me. Your charm and your eternal grace, your presence and my place. Yes. If this is love, then I am in love with you. Your smile has an awesome effect on me. It's everywhere you. I can see, baby, you are love as a charm that takes me over. It's like some other world of fantasy. Just be us, you are, and the things you do. So I also feel all new. You are my love, and you will remain in time. I feel so blessed that you are many. I love you is not the destination, but it is the journey that you spend with your partner. Being with you has been so good. You are like the best life partner I could ever ask for my journey. Do not ever leave me and go us together. Our life will show the way of being so in love with you. If being so happy and all gay, I love you. Do not go far away from me because I want to be able to live without you. Sometimes you just meet someone who changes your life, someone who teaches you the real meaning of love. You are the someone for me. You taught me what true love is. Selfless love without any condition or any reason. The word love that stress to anything with you. I am so comfortable and comfortable. I don't have to think much before I speak with you. I am so in love with you, with me. It's my love only. Wish that we stay forever in love, just you and me and our world of all love and happiness. Just you and me and our world.